Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you 6 different ways of crocheting into a chain. For this video, I'm going to call this loop the top loop, and this loop the bottom loop, and this is the back bump. With method number 1, you insert the hook underneath the top loop and the back bump. And then you proceed with your stitch. Again, under the top loop and the back bump. You can see how this produces a single row of loops on the bottom. With method number 2, you work from the back side of the chain. Insert the hook underneath what was the bottom loop and the back bump. Insert the hook underneath what was the bottom loop and the back bump. For method number 3, you just insert the hook underneath the top loop. This is a quick, easy method, especially good for beginners. Insert the hook underneath the top loop. This method produces 2 loops on the bottom of your work. And method number 4, you can work from the back of the chain and insert the hook underneath what was the bottom loop. For method number 5, you insert the hook only underneath the back bump. This one is a little tricky. And you can see the hook under the back bump. But look how nice this method is. It produces a nice chain along the bottom edge to match the top edge's stitches. And method number 6 is really tricky because you insert the hook underneath the top and bottom loop. Basically going through the back bump. You can see the 3 main ones here. Method number 1 produces 1 row of single loops on the bottom. Method number 3 produces 2 loops on the bottom. And method number 5 produces a nice chain along the bottom edge. So which method do you like? Or which method do you use in your work?
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.